Morning, James. How you doing, mate? Ready for work? Hello. Sleepyhead. Oops, sorry. Oh, your arm. Oh, how you doing? You alright? How you feeling? Feet okay? Feet okay? Let's have a look. You feeling well today? You feeling well? Let's have a quick look. Oh, okay. No problem. Noted. Okay, you ready for this, baby? Let's do this. How many people are we seeing today, James? You ask. I think we're seeing 6 people today. Yep, so hold it together, mate. I know you've been a bit ill, but hold it together. You're all right. We love our job, don't we? Yeah, of course we do. So I'm hoping that my camera will stay there. It's balancing quite nicely on the door. I just want to show you quickly about how James likes to be driven. Now, obviously your car may have a different name, but James likes to be treated with respect, and there's no need to treat him harshly. He wants to work for you. So the reason why I'm releasing this video is because sometimes students will sort of be quite rough with the car, and there's no need, yeah. So especially with changing gear and stuff, you know, sometimes I have people ramming it to the left and ramming it up and ramming it down, and honestly guys, you just don't need to, yeah. So you can be quite gentle with the car. You know, the gear stick wants to go into gear, that's what it's designed to do, yeah. You don't have to do it hard at all, okay. It really does want to go there, okay? So I'm not trying to teach you how to do this, but if you're going to go to third, look, my little finger can push it out of second and then push it up into third. It's that easy. There's no need to do this and this and this, yeah? Honestly, loads of students do that, and it's designed to go that way, okay? So just palming technique, gentle, yeah? Knock, knock, down. Just everything, just relaxing, yeah? Even when you put the handbrake on, you know, you just up to the top and just let go. Everything is it's a machine at the end of the day, yeah? You want to look after it. You know, if you're forceful with it, yeah? Obviously it's a machine and it's going to break. It's mechanical, you know, so it's going to break one day. So it's really important just to treat it with respect and be gentle with it. So if my camera stays there, which I hope it does, we'll see. If it falls down, I'll just leave it in anyway, because that would just be funny. Right, okay, so entering reverse, okay. Sometimes reverse gear can be quite grindy because it's literally on a different, it's a completely different mechanism to the to the forward gears, yeah. So just enter it gently, yeah. Okay, so checking all the way around, release it gently. And then even when you're steering, yeah, I mean that's kind of I love steering correctly. It's just so beautiful. Look, can you hear that noise? I hope that noise is being picked up. It's gorgeous. And just coming up to things gently, steering beautifully, looking, finding the bite, staying. Well, I can't say I'm surprised. It was hanging on by a thread. Okay, so yeah, let's just get back into this. So yeah, look, it's a car at the end of the day. It's a machine, and it's going to break. So you want to treat it with respect, yeah. So when I change into third gear, off gas, clutch down, knock, knock, just gentle, you know, and just lifting the clutch gently, not lifting the clutch fast and stressing the car and yourself. The more that you kind of ram the gears or lift the clutch, yeah, or brake heavily, not only is that taxing on the car, it's also anxious giving, anxiety driven, you know, you just want to lift the clutch up gently, into second gently, coming up to the biting point gently, yeah, into third gear, just so smooth, galaxy chocolate, relaxing, you've been in a spa all day, you're metaphorically having a pina colada, braking, clutch down, out of third, into first, gently finding the bite, holding the bite, taking the next road on the left with gentle pressing, looking into the very sharp turn, treating the steering wheel with respect, passing the wheel beautifully, Oh, that is such a nice sound. I don't know whether you guys do pull push steering, yeah? Look at that. Just treating it with respect, down into first, looking into the turn. Oh, come on. That is so beautiful. Do you pull push steer? Oh, it just sounds so lovely, yeah? Honestly, I'm just going to finish the lesson there, because at the end of the day, you know, I could drive for longer and but just look after your machine. It's so expensive. Like, why ram it? You know, why treat it with disrespect? You know, you want it to last, you know? It's going to break. It's made of metal. You know what I mean? Anyway, we love James. Look after James. If you ever drive James, which I have no idea whether you will, unlikely with my waiting list, but if you ever drive James, you know, James likes to be, you know, treated with respect. I hope this video helps you in some way, and handbrake, neutral, signal.